welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tara, and if you've been watching my vlogs, you would know that we have already moved in our new house and we are slowly acquiring things that would fit our lifestyle, things that would make House Bontol home. One of the things that was sent to us or gifted to us is the Como Bidet. It is an easy to install non-electric bidet for the toilet. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you details about the Como Bidet, what's in the box, installation, how to install it, and my thoughts about it, my review. So if you guys are interested, stick around because I'm here to pass it on. First up, what is a bidet? A bidet attachment is a device you attach to your toilet to make it easier for you to wash yourself with water. It's usually used as an alternative for toilet paper when cleaning yourself after using the toilet. There are three types of bidets: bidet sprayer, bidet attachment, and electric bidet. Como Bidet is a bidet attachment. Now, you may not realize it because having a bidet is very basic, like it's something that we use every single day, but you know what? Having one is actually very convenient and very practical. Como Classic, a non-electric bidet attachment that is compatible with 85% of toilets. It's super simple to install, easy to use, and easy on your wallets. Now everyone can enjoy the same convenience and health benefits of washing with a bidet. Bidets don't only provide better personal hygiene and cleaning. It's easier to use for everyone. It also makes it easier to teach kids about personal hygiene. So who can benefit from having a bidet? Pregnant women, women in red days, handicapped people, children, basically everyone. Also, let me point out that using a bidet can help reduce the use of tissue paper, which means we are helping the environment. Replacing our tissue paper habit means less trees killed, less clogged toilets, and less sewage waste produced. It's better for us and the environment. A better toilet experience starts here. Como Classic is an easy-to-install cold water bidet attachment for your existing toilet seat. It features front and rear wash nozzles that can be easily controlled by the water pressure knob and a patented self-cleaning design. Its features include powered by water pressure, no electricity required, front and rear nozzles, patented self-cleaning, fits most toilets, slim modern design, easy to install, and 12 months warranty. What's in the box? Everything you need to install Como is included, just bring your own wrench. The Comma Bidet is designed for the modern home. Easy to use, just turn the knobs. The bidet uses water pressure to clean your private parts. Turning the knob allows the water to flow to the front or rear nozzles. And now for my review, yay or nay, leave or love? Obviously, love, obviously. Yay to Comma Bidet. What do I love about it? Well, I basically shared everything that I love about it. I love that it is easy to install, and I love all the benefits that it gives. It's practical, it's convenient, I love it. I definitely recommend it. And you know what? It is very convenient. You can purchase it online. I'll place the link at the description box. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop a comment down below. And I hope you find this video helpful. And if it does, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I have new videos just like this. Upgrade your toilet in just 15 minutes. Make the switch and use Comma Bidet.